Well, hello YouTube. In this tutorial, as I promised, we will talk about if statements. And they are nothing but very simple checks, and you will use them in many programming languages, not just in JavaScript. They are absolutely all over the place. So here's the situation. We will check if one number is bigger than other number, and then we will do something about it. That is the simplest possible scenario. So var, let's say number equals 54, and down there we will start if statement with if and then brackets, normal brackets, and now if number is less than 100, and operation will be just printing on a screen or alert. So alert number is less than, how to write this in English, than 100. Okay, and now when I refresh my page, I will have this as alert. There you go. But what will happen if the number here, real number, is same as number in check? So the result will be nothing. Why? Because we didn't type any kind of corresponding code here that will be activated when these things are same. So we must type that. Okay, so how to do that? Well, the easiest thing is to use less than or equal here, and then you'll have pop up on the screen. Okay, that's the one scenario. I advise you to use that. Or you can have one more level of if. For example, if number equals 100, we will say, let's say, document write they are same. Okay, so here's the situation. Maybe this is confusing. Every time when you are creating some kind of variable, some kind of number, to put this stuff into here, you will use normal equal symbol. But if you are checking things, from reality with the things from your, well, check, then you will use double equal symbol, double equality or something like that. Who cares what the normal terminology is? It is important that this is when you're putting right side in the left side, and this is when you're doing checks. Okay, and now the result here will be the same. So here we have alert, and here we will have document write activated. So directly on the screen we will have text. Okay, that's kind of cool. Let me see what else we can learn here. Well, of course, the third option and only option will be that this number can be bigger than this number down there. So let's say that this number will be 1, 2, 3, and then we need to have corresponding check in if statements. So if number is bigger than 100, and this is the case, then we will, I don't know, we'll say alert our real number, I mean useful number from external world. Let's say our real number is bigger than number in checking if, or something like that. Who cares? You get the point probably here. Okay, and now result will be that one alert, our real number is bigger than number in check. Okay, so I think that's relatively simple stuff to understand. So yes, this can be a little bit long, and in the next tutorial we will learn about how to simplify this with a couple of new options. But the point is here that it's really nothing special. And the good stuff, as I said at the beginning of tutorial, is you'll use this not just in JavaScript but also in all other basically modern programming languages these days. Right, so if this is a little bit confusing, I can understand that. If you are a total beginner, then just experiment with smaller numbers and then do one check and then continue with complicated checks and so on. But I think that you understand this. This is fairly simple stuff to understand. Right, anyway, I'm gonna shut up as always. Thank you for watching and for support. See you next tutorial.